A former caseworker at the Indiana Department of Child Services is facing multiple felony charges. Jade Wilson is accused of falsifying child abuse or neglect information or records. Wave News reporter Logan Perone dove into the state's claim against her.
Court documents paint a clear picture of alleged misconduct against Jade Wilson. She worked for Indiana's Department of Child Services from September 2022 through January 2025 when she was fired. This began with a complaint to the Office of Inspector General in 2025, and evidence collected by the state shows that Wilson was not meeting with families despite documentation saying otherwise. Wilson's probable cause affidavit lists 5 times over the course of 2 months where she claims to have reached out to families. In those cases, the local office director found those families had no recollection of getting any call from Wilson. In some of them, there wasn't even a call logged in Wilson's state-issued phone. The court document also goes into more detail on Wilson's dismissal, which ultimately led to the obstruction of justice charge. During a 2025 meeting about Wilson's performance, she was directed to get her work phone and work computer. Wilson is accused of leaving the meeting in the building altogether, but not before admitting she wiped everything off those devices. Records revealed more than 2,200 deletions from the DCS system, and all of her handwritten notes were taken from her desk. Court documents show she posted bond, but nobody answered the door at her listed address Friday. Indiana's Department of Child Services declined an interview or comment on this story as the investigation is ongoing. Wilson is scheduled to be back in court on June 23rd, and her trial is scheduled to begin in July. Logan Perone, Wave News.